Saturday sunset, we're lying on my bed with 5 hours to go. Fingers entwined, so were our minds crying, I don't want you to go. You wiped away tears, but not fears, under the still and clear indigo. You said, baby, don't cry, we'll be fine. You're the one thing I swear I can't outgrow. My mother said the younger me was a pretending prodigy. Well, nothing that much has changed. 'Cause while you're wolfing down liquor, my soul, it gets sicker. But I'm sticking to the screenplay. Gotta say I'm okay, but answer this, babe. How is it now that somehow you're a stranger? You were mine just yesterday. I prayed the block in my airway dissipates and instead deters your airplane's way. But heaven denied, destiny decried, something beautiful died too soon. But I'm letting go. I'm giving up the ghost, but don't get me wrong, I'll always love you, that's why I wrote you this very last song. I guess this is where we say goodbye. I know I'll be alright. Someday I'll be fine, but just not tonight. Plunging into all kinds of diversions, like lush wine and some more soirees. But even with gin and surging adrenaline, I see you're all that can intoxicate. Oceans and engines, you're skilled at infringing on great love affairs. 'Cause now my heart's home, all I've known is long gone and 10,000 miles away. And I'm not okay, but I'm letting go. I'm giving up the ghost, but don't get me wrong, I'll always love you, that's why I wrote you this very last song. I guess this is where we say goodbye. I know I'll be alright, but just not tonight. Was the first time I stared into seas of forgotten sepia 2 years ago. And the first time I learned real world superpowers, living 3 words, they revitalized my fraying bones. Now what do you do when your pillow crumbled down and lost all solid ground, with dreams and demons drowned, and this void's all you found out? I didn't. I have so many questions, but I'm pouring them into the ocean, starting up my engine, and I'm letting go. I'm giving up your ghost. It's come to a close. I mark the end with this last song I wrote. I'm letting go. This is the last falsetto sing to you, my grace.